hear what? I have the coach in our place. And I said, boy, we couldn't come here, so coach there in our place. My laptop loaded with song. I'm gonna beat out some song around here. So, like how we do and the coach there, just squeeze and lick a song.
Listen to the voices, crying to be free.
We just squeeze out some
Give
song.
me the promise that we promise to be you.
What's happening?
This is Mixer International.
But good day after squeeze out the song.
Nicing up the dance and no one dance, stay out the street. I told her it's a say, I don't know the thing going there. You hear me next time, big up yourself, man. Two of the ranks and stitch it. Yo, you hear me? Some guy in the middle of the yo.
That's another shoot out some song.
Stand your house.
Shoot out some song.
Stand the front. Stand the front. Stand the front.
What?
Mixer International. Say, you only got a few seconds more to drop it right there on the dance floor. In a heavy song, clash mixer, if I ready, boxes are love, get and boxes are hell.
Mixer one now. Enough man a fight.
Mixer International.
Enough man no want to be dry. Enough man wants to be dead in our life. So you know what? Squeeze up. Whoa. Squeeze up from here. Enough man.
Mixer International.
What on? What on? What am I doing?
Mixer International. We no partial.
What on?
We to fall.
What on?
Mixer
But you
International.
hear other people man overcut, son.
National, we no partial. Bad mind son boy, go down, we no partial.
That piece of man overcut, son.
Mixer International.
Yeah, but this is sound lower. Medical sound lower there.
Mixer International.
What on?
We no partial. Yeah, we should fall, we to fall.
What on?
Mixer International play. Yeah, we should fall, we to fall.
Voila. You see, back in the ideas, I will pass on this to see. Basically, this love song, the Metro Media. Our Metro Media player. You see that song here? And that song here inspired me to build song.
Voila.
That song here inspired me to build song. What on there?
Hold on there. Mixer. You're the boss man for Mixer. But where they did the night when them need somebody to defend them? You never did here. But I see where you play right now, I respect that. And we did that cheer for the next song. I'm going to tell my brethren from CG, I say, well, come to support you. But this never did that play. We did that, brethren.
Dog, Steve, you did that. Me kick out one fierce round there. A man never really judge around them. Make me go in a tune for tune and make a man get 4/5. In a way, me just kick out some song.
Love why you always a support the thing Mixer. But you know, because, hold on, this a man will write up on Facebook say, walking is allowed. We are doing back in ideas. So guess what? You see after you juggle, and rise and start juggle, before we left, the whole of we have a tune for tune. So we get up on the tune. Come on, tune ready.
But Steve, you is a student of a class. A teacher, a teacher. So don't make me have a beat you around here. So you know the song.
Some Mixer International, but we said 20 rounds, watch the face Nixon.
Don't make me have a beat you like this one.
Say yo, some boy get killed. Right to win.
Don't make me have a beat you around here, yo.
Mixer International.
Don't make me have a beat you around here, yo. What happened? Kick up the fuck. Kick up the song.
Gonna kill. Every song they around. Mixer gonna kill.
What happened?
Next song tonight. Yes, tonight. Yes.
What happened?
it's on again. Hey, soon these tears, somebody been crying.
Steve I play, him I play God, him I play Jesus, him I play some big every song. But me not sell out my soul to big song. Me not sell out my soul. Me not sell out my soul for big song.
Gonna kill and somewhere around.
That's why me not sell out my soul for big song.
Show the channel tribulation, we must be strong.
Me not sell out my soul for big song.
Big star, 20 rounds, big star international. You don't firm to see us, but the hill. We jump one shot. I'm represent for Big Star International. You know what thing going on Big Star? 20 rounds. Never sell out, we give thanks. Show the channel tribulation, we must be strong. You see what I say? Hey, Big Star, 20 rounds, Big Star International. You don't firm to see us, but the hill. We jump one shoes and none of them. Next star run over them. We'll lose them soul for gain the world. We'll not switch from the table 10. 20 don't firm to foot bets and big man. And we don't sell out.
We don't could have God and Jesus, but don't play
them. We'll lose them soul for gain the world. We'll not switch from the table 10. When the time about Big Star International, dear one friend. We know a legal man is them.
You say later we're going to look at tune for tune. But you know what?
Big Star International, I say easy, Tony Ross, I say easy, I say Nick Star, stitch it,
See, say later me and I'm going to look at tune for tune. Do this! Say I have the most chronics in the world, but me have an artist, and me dig him up and me say, youth, you see you are my member artist.
So it's coming, it's going to sound like a Big Star International post for this program. I'm going to tell you something, bad man a famous shot. Man a line argument, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something about Big Star, them and them man, it's tolerance.
You see that youth, I am some Big Star International.
Son boy, you go lose your life. And on the blood clot dance tonight. Well, it's coming, it's going to sound like a Big Star International post for this program. I'm going to tell you something about a famous shot.
When them say shoot me, shoot.
I'm going to tell you something about Big Star, them and them man, it's tolerance.
When them say shoot me, shoot. When them say shoot, them say you.
Son boy, you go lose your life. And on the blood clot dance tonight, it's a play. I know you're serious, but now some can't take with stride. No way, cause I the fully clash mix of everything around. Never once get thrown down, so we keep on standing up and put sound on the ground. Pussy, you will get gunshot in a your face.
I'm going to make a bunty argument. Don't make a bunty argument around here. Don't make the bunty argument around here.
Now Big Star International. That one I mean we know we bad. Know we bad and I'm to tell the boy to suck no matter. Suck no matter can't come back to feel with that. We don't have because we better than them and was the rest of better than the others. Alright, because we know we bad. Nick's a bad, so we know we bad. Hey, don't go to king of fire, king of fire, burn it down to them fool. I told them to take them to the bottom of the I'm just going to tell you how to pray. Here on the Big Star. This was the Big Star. Tell them so we can vote.
In the king of fire.
Oh, Big Star.
The original vibes.
What? Your life comes from your feelings with it. And then this mix and you're not truly losing it. Your life comes from your feelings with it. And then it's going like something on your life. Murderation. So it's a command and murderation. Don't make them up and murderation.
The coach here. So we never embarrass myself, roll up. Mr. every son of Father Adish, every son of Father Urchula LP, me don't do that. The big boy that thing. Hear my style now.
Mixer, international champions on real fever shall. Man like Nick Star.
We just build more than that.
Wow, that needed a lot. Turn around and say that knows about you and somewhere to get spanked. Stitch it, let them know some more. And Mixer International boss it cleared up later. When last couple of guests to say I'm going to get it. But you know,
no, let me read that song. No, let me look for that one.
never say never when you have a good thing.
What the?
Let you get and shut the
I miss that song. Brooklyn, listen.
Power doctor. Some boy people, some boy time black. Big sound, international play the one sound.
And let them read that little song.
Brooklyn.
I guess it.
Send them on the back. Stitch it. Yo, now you ready? Mixer ever rich.
I let everybody name Fred Maria.
This is not my brethren.
Oh, this is the coach. Big up.
This is not my brethren. Mixer always there. Mixer International is always there. Say some song that say that they modify you. But them don't get a fry. Why? Some song that say that they particle good. But them are artificial. Mixer no make them come tell you about the business go. Cause them are the biggest suspect. Mixer no make them come tell you say them check for you. What the title them want to take from you. When you call them, you make me more wine and you make me more wine. You only have to stand your mind. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Me so one more. Me know my punch when they come in. But when they attack them, stand here.
Butter.
When they are saying about this, original man, take that beat to me.
We so we gunshot I say the man can represent for Mixer International. I say yo, Tony Ranks, Nick Stars, Stitch it. I say now I'm a bomber club.
Mr. Melika song overloaded to blood class.
Bust on some boy.
Super Force could have beat me.
Mixer International.
Them could have beat me.
Nick Stars, Stitch it. Fuck them.
Me I spend my life sharing funny.
We so we gunshot
What up?
Someday a barbecue, party man friend. You just bad in a
You
car.
know like, about half an hour ago me rise up this morning and you know what?
Mixer them run nice. Early in the dance hall. Son boy you fall. International that kill them all. You again.
Me say one youth, a rough cut school me come from. So you know what?
I do the runs. Run Brooklyn runs. You buy one shot of 30 pounds.
A rough cut school me come from. Coach, you know Mixer song for a long time. What's one of the baddest combination on my box? Ready?
Yes. You know who I am. Mr. 40, alongside the father, Ninja Man, the Dan Gorgon, front teeth, brush teeth, with toothpaste and toothbrush and the Mixer International. Starting my father. Find them today. Where is them today? Well, let's go, why you want? They want what? Mixer know we gonna feed them what they want. And we jump and go. East, west, south, and all in the night. Who know what you got me love them, man?
Hold on. Big up Johnny Girl from Body Girl. And Johnny advice us.
Yo, the rise is not your prayer, but I check it out. We're gonna be a boss of prayer. All the time,
Yo, Johnny from Body Girl advice us.